Good day everyone! In this video, I will going to discuss of how to graph trigonometric function. But since Sir Dublin already discussed the two function, which is the sine and cosine, now I will continue to discuss the tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. So now let's continue or let's discuss the secant and cosecant. So in graphing secant and cosecant, it is very similar to sine and cosine. Why? Because the secant and cosecant is only the reciprocal of sine and cosine, which is the reciprocal of cosecant is the sine and the reciprocal of kanang secant is the kanang cosine. So it's mean kanang we need to graph the sine and cosine first, then make the reciprocal para nanatay kanang graph sa ilahang mga reciprocal. So now let's have example. So we have y equals negative 3 second times 3x minus pi plus 6. So as we observe, our amplitude is negative 3. And our vertical shift is 6. Then now let's solve our phi shift. So we have 3x minus pi equals 0. Then we have x equals pi over 3.
So why it become x equals pi over 3? It's because, sir, if ibalhin nato si pi or ilabang nato siya sa equals, it become positive pi. Then we have 3x equals pi. Then para mawala ang katapad ni x, ato siya i-divide og 3. So we have 3x divided by 3 equals pi divided by 3. So makancel si 3. That's why we have x equals pi over 3.
Then our period, so we have period and we have 2 pi over our b is 3, so we have 3. So this is our period. So our period is 2 pi over 3. So in our y value, we have 6 plus 3, so we have 9. So in pataas 9, then 6 minus 3 equals 3, so ipaubos pod we have 3. Then let's graph. So we have here, at where vertical shift, we have 6. Then atong ubos, as what I said ganina, is 3 dayon 9. Now let's proceed in our x-axis or our x values. So we have our phi shift. We have pi over 3. Then pi over 3 plus 2 pi over 3, that is pi. Then pi over 3 plus pi, our center, divided by 2, that is 2 pi over 3. Then 2 pi over 3 plus pi over 3, that is pi over 2. Then 2 pi over 3 plus pi, that is 5, that is 5/3 divided by 2, that is 5/3 lang, sir. That is 5/3, that is 5/3 divided by 2, that is 5/6. That is 5/6. Then now let's plot. So since our kanang amplitude is negative 3, our amplitude is negative 3. So we have here, sumutumong ta sa ubos kay negative man. So ari ta sa 3. Then maadto ta sa 6 tupong sa pi over 2. Then mo at taas pud ta ari sa 9 nakatumong sa 2 pi over 3 dayon ari sa 6 5 pi over 6 dayon last period is pi nga nakatumong pud sa 3. Then let's draw. Then and every point nga mo touch sa ato ang kuan vertical shift is na siya'y vertical asymptotes. So the blue line is the vertical asymptotes. Then the reciprocal. Let's make the reciprocal or the second graph. So as you can see, the green line, that is the second or the reciprocal. That is called that is reciprocal and that is the second. So this is the graph of our y equals negative 3 second times 3x equals pi plus 6. So now let's have example for cosecant. So we have here y equals 2 cosecant times pi over 4x plus 1. Then, as what I said earlier, the reciprocal of cosecant is sine. So we have 2 times sine times pi over 4x plus 1. Then, let's draw. So, as you observe, our amplitude is 2 and our vertical shift is 1. So, we have 1 plus 2 equals 3 and 1 minus 2, that is negative 1. Then, let's make broken line for our vertical shift. So, our high or ato igbaw is 3. So, atong ubos pa down is negative 1. Then, our vertical shift is 1. Next is phase shift. So, as you observe, we didn't have phase shift. And our phase shift is equal 0. So, let's proceed to period. So, we have P equals 2 pi over, our B is pi over 4. So, we have pi over 4. Multiply by 4 para makancel si 4. So, we have 2 pi times 4, that is 8 pi. Then, cancel the pi, that is 8. Then, let's put our period here because kay wala man tayo phase shift. Then, 8 divided by 2, that is 4. 4 divided by 2, that is 2, then 6. So, now, we can plot. Kay complete naman na to ang graph. So, since this is sine, so mo start sa ta diri sa 0, nga nakatupong sa 1, then mo ari sa 3, then mo ari sa 4, nga nakatupong sa 1, then mo ari sa kanang negative 1, then mo ari sa 6. Then, as what I said earlier, there is vertical asymptotes if naay points nga nakatouch sa ato ang kanang vertical shift. So, let's put our vertical asymptotes. So, we have here, we have 0, we have 4, and we have 8. Now, nanatay vertical shift. So, now, makaplot na ta sa ato ang reciprocal or sa graph sa cosecant. So, let's make. Wow, ka-perfect. Na. So, this is the graph of our y equals 2 cosecant times pi over 4x plus 1. So now, sir, I will proceed to the tangent. So in tangent, there is called, wait lang, mag-draw sa ako. So in tangent, there is called the first vertical asymptotes, which is pi over 2, and negative pi over 2. So here, draw. That one. And also, the important is the period. The period, or the formula for period, we have pi over b, which is b is ang katapad sa tuwang x. And then, if sa sine and cosecant and secant, period is the last interval for one cycle. And tangent and cotangent, period is the distance of vertical asymptotes. Love here. Then, we also have called increased function and decreased function. So, increased function look like this. And decreased function. So, increased function is for positive tangent and negative tangent. And for increased function, we have negative tangent and positive cotangent. So, let's have example for tangent. So, we have y equals negative 2 plus tangent times 1, 4, x minus pi plus 3. So, as you observe, our kanang amplitude is negative 2 and our vertical shift is 3. So, now let's solve for vertical asymptote. So, we have 1, 4x minus pi. So, minus pi equals pi over half 2. So, why pi over 2? It's because the first vertical asymptotes in tangent is pi over 2. So, pi over 2. So, here. So, ato ibalhin si pi. So, mahimo siyang positive pi. So, it will become 3 pi over 2. Then, equals x. 1, then 4. Then, let's multiply it by 4 para makancel si 4. So, cancel 4. So, we have x equals 3 times 4. O 3 pi over 2, that is, so why it becomes 6 pi? Because 3 pi, so 4, para mahimo siyang 4, we need 6 pi. Now, for our period, we have pi, our b is 1, 4, equals, then multiply it by 4, so we have 4 pi. So, our period is 4 pi. Now, let's graph. So, first, our vertical asymptotes, we have 6 pi. So, 6 pi. Then, our period is 4 pi. So, 6 pi minus 4 pi, that is 2 pi. 2 pi. And so, let's draw sa atong vertical asymptotes. Okay. Then, the center of our 2 pi over 6 pi is 4 pi. Then we have here, we have what I said earlier, our vertical shift is 3. So let's put 3 here. Then plus 2, that is 5. And minus 2, that is 1. Then since this is negative tangent, so this is decreased function. So again, this is decreased function. So decreased function look like this. So we have here center to center, we have 3, then tungod sa 4 pi, then we have 5 tungod sa 2 pi. So again 2 pi here, then 2 pi 3 pi rather, then tungod sa 1 sa 5 pi. Then let's draw. So here, so this is the graph of y equals negative 2 plus tangent times 1 4x minus pi plus 3. Now sir, let's have our last example, which is cotangent. So now we have here y equals 2 cotangent times 1 over 2x minus pi plus 3. So we have here, so we observe our amplitude is negative 2 and our vertical shift is 3. So now let's solve for our vertical asymptotes. So we have here 1 over 2x minus pi equals 0. So why 0? So as what I said earlier in tangent, sir, the first period or the first vertical asymptotes is pi over 2. So in cotangent, the first vertical asymptotes is in 0. So we have here 0. So have x. So ibalhin nato si pi. So it become positive pi. Then multiply both sides by 2. Cancel 2. So it become x is equals 2 pi. Then in our period, we have pi. Our b is 1/2. So we have 2 pi. Now let's draw a graph. So first here, let's put our vertical asymptotes or our first vertical asymptote. So we have 2 pi. Then let's add another one revolution, which is negative pi. So again, the distance of our or the period is 2 pi. That's why 0 siya magsugol ato ang vertical asymptotes. So let's draw vertical asymptotes. So here we have also our vertical asymptotes in 0, then in 2 pi. Then our center is pi. Then pi over 2 pi. We have pi over 2. Then we have 3 pi over 2. So now, in our kanang y value, so our vertical shift is stay. We have 3 here. Then our amplitude is 2. So musaka siya og 2. So 3 plus 2, that is 5. Then 3 minus 2, that is 1. So now we have a graph. Then Since this is negative cotangent, so this is increased function. So here, so itupong nato, so adrita sa center maguna, so si 3 dayon si pi. So this, since this is increased function, so ang 5 and ang 3 pi over 2. So here, the next is 1, then there is a pi over 2. Then let's draw. Perfect. Then butangan sad nato ang koan, ang ikaduha nga cycle or revolution. So here's our graph for y equals negative 2 cotangent times 1, 2x minus pi plus 3.